Okay, so from what you said, it sounds as though that what is sensing is informing. And can you explain? Can you clarify that a little bit more? Feeling versus sense.
Okay. A sense gives you information. Your eyes, my eyes can look at something and feed the same information into me that your eyes would feed into you. You might have a feeling about it. I would have no feeling about it. They just sense. Okay? What that central information fed into you, and by the way, it all goes through the limbic system. That's your emotional feeling brain. It'll attach meaning to it, or emotions to it, or feelings to it, or twist it around, because that's what the limbic system can do. And it does that because it wants to make sure you survive. Okay? And there's great truth in the phrase, you know too much for your own good. Because you can be aware of things going on in your past, and to speak up about them would not have been the best idea.
Right.
So the limbic system can actually do this to support, to save you so you survive. But 40 years later, when it's doing the same thing, it's now become your prison rather than your castle. Okay?
So the senses include the eyes and the ears and the feeling, touch, and smell, and the heart.
And the heart has that sense of rightness.
It just informs. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, and it can let you, if you're tuned in, it will let you know when what you come up with, what you're experiencing is accurate. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like true, but it's accurate.
Yeah, it's like
it's accurate for you. It's accurate for whatever situation you're in, and this works just as well. And actually, it's more helpful if you get used to it, because it will give you accurate information as to how things are off within you, rather than just give you this sense of how everything is great. To me, the sense of great is, oh, that's okay, but it's really not useful because that's not a problem. Most of the thing that we need to find out about to evolve and grow are what the problems are. We need to get clear on what they are. If we're going to get anywhere, to really get anywhere, rather than trying to just change it by manipulating it in our head.
that is really important. That's a wonderful information, because we tend to think of our hearts as with a lot of supposed tos. They're supposed to be comfort us, and they're supposed to make us happy, and in fact what they do is let us know what is true for us at that time. They inform. They give us a
and they integrate it all into one. All there is love. Love is all there is. The heart is the organ of love in the body, and it can put love into, that's all there is. Both the direct and indirect.
The heart functions that way?
Yes.
Okay.
You want to try to do it in your mind? Either the mind on either end of your spine does not do good.
No, but
with
I was
love.
under the impression that the spirit and the soul, that there was a consciousness. Oh, never mind that. Okay, I don't.
What did you just get?
I'm just getting that the spirit and the soul are consciousness in the heart, and so therefore of the heart.
And they're only half
Right, they're each only half.
of, no, the total is half of all the consciousnesses here that leaves out all the world. And that came from God just as much as they did.
Right.
They are no better than the outside.
Right.
They all came from the same source.
Yeah.
To me, the object is to get it all together here, so you have there here, so you don't have to try to get out of here to go there.
Oh.
Yes. And that's why I say it's physically based, physically organized, and physically directed. The body. Okay? In the body.
And why you said all those years ago, and it's changed my life, that the body knows.
And all you have to do is ask it a question. that it can answer yes or no in a wandering, expansive mode.
Yeah.
Okay? That does not limit its answer.
What's an example of answering in an expansive and exploratory?
No, asking. You've got to ask the question in this expanded, all-inclusive place of wondering what is needed to continue the expansion of me being a whole integrated human being. Okay? So one question is, I have a knee pain. I wake up one morning and I've got knee pain. And so you make sure the body's organized, and then you make the statement.
When you say you make sure the body's organized, what do you mean?
I check the nervous system
Okay.
to make sure it's integrated in an integrated functioning way, so it can give you good answers. Then simply ask. There's a priority for Lee's knee pain. It says yes. The priority is nutrition. It says no. The priority is mental emotional. It says no. The priority is spiritual. It says no. The priority is structural physical. It says no. The priority is human. It says no. The priority is energetic. It says yes. Which means the juice, the direct energy, this source is off. Okay? So now you know where to start, which caused that. Because a lot of people come in and they got this pain, they go, nothing happened. I went to bed, I was feeling fine. I woke up, I got all this pain. For no reason. There is a reason. You just gotta expand your view that you're looking at it. And you don't go way off to start with. You go, well, more specific thing. Most likely is maybe you've hurt yourself 2 days ago and don't remember. You go to the most likely and you span out like that until you find what the cause is.
So
And then address it.
one of the things I learned from you is that when my knee is really injured, and you need to find out first if it's really injured or not and what's causing it. Then what's happened before is that you've discovered that you've been able to do things to help with the healing of the physical knee.
Right?
But you have found that it was energetic, which is that what you said, the last thing, one that
Right,
you said?
energetic.
Right, energetic, right. And so I have to leave because I have an appointment or something. I have to go. My time is up. I have to go. And so you say, you let me know that there is an issue there's a neuro integration issue.
Right.
Behind it. And so then I will go home and try to find it. And so then I find the underlying thing so it doesn't recur, then I come back and check it with you. And
we keep working that way to
keep
get
working
straight.
it, yeah.
And you brought up a point, okay? That in this process of people working with me, they've been able to start to do this process for themselves, on themselves. And in essence, we should be self-healing for most of what we have to do. We should get to the point where we're homeostasis, self-healing, self-regulating. Okay? And so that's one of the things that this can do for you when you really get into it.
So you're working yourself right out of a job.
Yeah. I'm not really concerned about that.
No, I think it'll be a while before
Okay.
people understand how to.
Okay. So, thank you, Julie. Unless you got any other questions.
I have I have lots of questions, of course I do. Thank you.
Okay?
That was very helpful.
I hope this helped. I'm going to put this on the YouTube. You'll have my email address. You can email me. I'll attempt to answer the questions, and there will be more of these videos. The next one is going to be where I'm going to be interviewed by a male person to see if anything different happens. Thank you.